Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, guys, it is here. The much awaited trailer for Minnal Murli is finally here today. And we are getting this movie on OTT. This will release on Netflix on 24th of December. So anyway, I'm already excited, though I don't know. I probably would have wanted this movie to have a theatrical release, but yeah, that's just my opinion. Do let me know, are you happy with the Netflix release or not in the comments below. But yes, the trailer is here. I'm just gonna enjoy the trailer right now. And last year I had reacted to the teaser already. I was so impressed with the concept that this was like a local superhero, and it looked very rooted and grounded, not like the larger than life superhero films that we are usually accustomed to. But that's why it seemed like a breath of fresh air. And anyway, I had said last time also that this particular genre, the superhero genre, is so underexplored in our industry, like Indian film industry overall. So yeah, let's react to the trailer. Let's watch this trailer right away. Extremely excited. Okay, let me wait. Subtitles. That's important. English for settings. Okay, let us watch.
അന്ന് ഇടിമിന്നലേറ്റ ശേഷം അതിന്റെ വല്ല
ചെറിയ ചുമ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
ചുമയായിരുന്നല്ലേ? എനിക്ക് അപ്പോഴേ തോന്നി. നടക്കട്ടെ. ഒരാൾക്ക് ഇടിമിന്നലേറ്റാൽ മെഗാവാട്ട് കണക്കിലാണ് പവർ അയാളെ ശരീരത്തിലേക്ക് കയറുന്നത്. കാർഡിയാക് അറസ്റ്റ്, ലങ്സ് ഫെയിലിയർ, സ്പൈനൽ കോഡ് ഡാമേജ്, ശക്തമായ പൊള്ളൽ. ദൈവാധീനം കൊണ്ട് ഇതൊന്നും സംഭവിച്ചിട്ടില്ല.
മാമനിപ്പ കിട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്ന ഈ കഴിവുകൾക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ പറയുന്നത് സൂപ്പർ പവേഴ്സ് എന്നാ.
വിമാനം ഒന്നും തട്ടാതെ കാത്തോണേ. പറക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
നിനക്കെന്താ മിന്നലടിച്ചിട്ട് പ്രാന്തായ?
Wow, this looks so cool.
അടിക്കടാ, അടിച്ചവന്റെ തലമണ്ട അടിച്ച് പൊട്ടിക്കടാ.
ഇത് പാകപ്പാടെ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആയല്ലോ പുല്ല്. മിന്നൽ മുരളി എന്ന് പറയുന്നവനെ പരിസരത്ത് എവിടെ വെച്ച് കണ്ടാലും കൂട്ടമണി അടിക്കുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പോലീസ് സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ വിവരം അറിയിക്കുക.
He looks amazing.
സാർ ഇപ്പൊ ചാടിക്കേറി ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ നിൽക്കണ്ട. നമുക്ക് കുറച്ചുകൂടെ കൺക്ലൂസീവായ എവിഡൻസ് എന്തെങ്കിലും കിട്ടട്ടെ.
എങ്ങനെ?
കൺക്ലൂസീവായ എവിഡൻസ് എന്തെങ്കിലും.
മാമൻ ഈ സ്പൈഡർമാൻ, ബാറ്റ്മാൻ, സൂപ്പർമാൻ എന്നിവരെയൊക്കെ കുറിച്ച് കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
ഇല്ല, ആരാമാര്?
Yes, this is what I want, a comedy superhero film. Oh my god, Tovino looks so good. I am so impressed. It's like the biggest smile on my face watching this trailer, guys. I had the biggest smile on my face. And last year when I watched the teaser, I didn't know Tovino that well as an actor, but over the course of 1 year, he has impressed me so much. So you can understand my excitement is at peak level right now with the release of this film. It's at peak level. Oh my god. Let's go back to a couple of scenes. Okay. Guys, I want to know your thoughts. This is so different. Firstly, you don't get the superhero film. You just know that this guy is got struck by lightning and is possessing. Because of that, he sort of possessed like superhuman strength, superhuman speed and strength. That's what the two powers that I can see, and precision when you see him like shooting those balloons and stuff like that. So he has like really great vision, great speed, strength. These are the three things for sure. He can't fly, that's what he said, but the ending shot was I am so happy. Yes, I am. I'm really happy. Okay, let's just particularly love the scene where he's falling from the tree and he's like, yeah, confirmed, I can't fly. But the ending shots, his initial costume, his initial costume was amazing. Like, it was so freaking funny, and you can just see that he's gonna have this one, this costume. Look at him, like a chicken. I don't know if there's some show going on, or is this something that he just randomly put on, but you can just see he's going through this complete hero's journey. And this music is so cool.
മിന്നൽ മുരളി എന്ന് പറയുന്നവനെ പരിസരത്ത് എവിടെ വെച്ച് കണ്ട
He can fly also, I feel. This shot is just amazing. Just amazing. Just look at that.
മിന്നൽ മുരളി എന്ന് പറയുന്നവനെ പരിസരത്ത് എവിടെ വെച്ച് കണ്ടാലും കൂട്ടമണി അടിക്കുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പോലീസ് സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ വിവരം അറിയിക്കുക.
And the music is amazing.
സാർ ഇപ്പൊ ചാടി കയറി ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാൻ നിൽക്കണ്ട.
Conclusive evidence.
കൺക്ലൂസീവായ എവിഡൻസ് എന്തെങ്കിലും കിട്ടട്ടെ.
എങ്ങനെ?
കൺക്ലൂസീവായ എവിഡൻസ് എന്തെങ്കിലും.
Some conclusive evidence. So cute. I love it. I love it. It's too good. This is going to be a really good film. I'm hopeful. I am hopeful. Guys, I have the biggest smile on my face right now because I think my jaw is hurting at this moment because I cannot stop smiling. I cannot stop smiling looking at this. I knew, before watching only, I knew that it's going to be a good trailer. But for some reason, it is making me extremely happy. It is making me extremely happy. Partly the reason could be that Tovino has really experimented with the kind of roles this year. He has impressed me a lot. He has impressed me a lot. So I am so confident that he can pull this off so well, so well. I have no doubts. Like, I have full faith in the guy that he is gonna become one of the most beloved superheroes now. For me, at least in Indian superheroes. At least I had only, Bhavesh Joshi is my favorite Indian superhero from the movies. So, but I think Minnal Murli is gonna get added very, very soon. Very, very soon to the list. I want to know your thoughts. See, guys, I'm still smiling. I'm so happy. I want to know your thoughts on the outfit. Of course, you can see that I don't know why I'm getting reminded of Captain Marvel and Superman and Spider-Man because the color palette is the same for these outfits. So, of course, the inspiration is from there, and maybe we'll understand because, see, for a superhero who is having that journey, that because there's like an origin story for this guy, and I hope that there is a sequel to it. That'll happen obviously when the makers will see the response for the first film. But in this particular superhero journey, the outfit, making of the outfit, what inspires your outfit, that is also a very, very important thing. Every superhero outfit has some meaning, some sort of emotions attached to it, we all know that, whoever follows superhero movies. So I definitely would be excited to see why this outfit, of course he's hiding his face for some, though you can totally make out that it's him. I don't know what's with the mask, so yes, so many things. I think you can, from this trailer, firstly you understand that this is an origin story. Also, you understand another thing, that this is very localized to this particular area. Like, it's not like a superhero who is saving the world and all of that from a big bat and all. This is very rooted to this particular area where Minnal Murli belongs to. it's very clear. It's very clear. So it's going to be more relatable and realistic, if I should say so. Even though it's a superhero film, he has powers and all of that, but it still is going to be very, very realistic and relatable. And I can just see that the comedy is going to be amazing. Of course, in the final act, we will, because he is trying to save the day, so we know that there's going to be a serious threat and all of that to this place, and he's going to help this village out. But I think the comedy factor, like when we see him training and trying out his powers and all, I'm looking forward to those scenes more than the final battle where he can full-blown show his power. I am looking forward to the scenes where he's practicing his power, trying to figure out, oh, I have this power, I have super strength, I have super speed, this and that. And you just see that initially he's just playing with the power. He's so happy that, oh, lightning struck me and I did not die, and instead I gained all these superpowers. So I'm just gonna be like fully chill and awesome about it, and just gonna show off. But then of course he goes through that full arc where he realizes, no, with great power comes great responsibility, as we all know this amazing quote by Uncle Ben. So with great powers come great responsibility. So he's going to realize that, and then so we are going to see a very typical superhero origin story, but it's the treatment that matters, guys. It's every superhero origin story has the same arc. It follows the same template. It's just the execution and the treatment that matters for me. So yes, that was the reaction, guys. The music, the cinematography, everything looks really cool, really cool. And the coolest is the the actor who's playing the superhero, that's Tovino. So I am ready, get set and go. Yes. So that was the reaction, guys. That was the reaction for Minnal Murli trailer. I definitely want to know your thoughts. I'm wondering now, because it'll release in multiple languages, like it'll have a Hindi dubbed also. So I want to watch it in Malayalam, but I want to check out the Hindi dub also, like how good or bad dubbing they have done. So maybe half the movie I'll watch in Malayalam, but then it'll not have that punch. We'll see. Let it release on 24th. We'll see. So I'll start with probably dubbed. In first half an hour, if I don't like the dubbing, then I'll switch to Malayalam. That's what I think I'll do. So yeah, that was the reaction, guys. I want to know your thoughts in the comments below. I am happy, still smiling. Thank you, Tovino. Thank you, Basil Joseph, for bringing this movie to us, because the trailer itself has made me so happy. So yes. Enough chit chat. I will sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.